Hello everyone and welcome back, and today we are playing Don't Press the Button. But this time we're actually totally not going to press any buttons. Oh no. Yeah, we're totally not going to press any of these buttons. Well, I'm not going to press any of these buttons because I could blow up. Oh no. How does it say he did it? Zawaldo? Yo. Why has he got a sword? Oh, now I'm extremely large. That's very cool. Whoa. Let's go. I did it. Yeah. Look how hard this obby is actually, guys. This is actually one of the hardest obbies I've ever done in my life. Let's go. I didn't die to that dude. I'm so happy. That wasn't even fair. All right, we're gonna be honest, guys. That wasn't fair. It kind of just spawned on me, and I was a little bit of a big boy right then. So what was I supposed to do? I couldn't do nothing. That's not allowed. That's illegal. I swear. All right, come on. I don't want to spectate this. I want to get in the game. I want to be the player. Alright, guys. It seems that I'm the player now. Grab the correct color. Oh, wait. I see how you're supposed to do it. That's kind of cool. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, we're blue. Abadi abadai. That guy ought to die. Yeah. I'm the blue guy. That's right. I'm the color man. Die. Let's go. Let's go. I'm the best. Let's go. Haha. 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 Yeah, let's just watch them die. Yeah, let's go. That's right, guys. I'm actually the best. See me red? That's the blood of my enemies. Oh, we're on vacation. Let's go. We're on a happy little vacation. Finally, something good happened. I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna be the first one to click this. If I ain't, then crazy things are gonna happen. You know. When is my vacation break over? Let's go. See, obviously I got it. Where are we? This is awesome. This is the coolest place I've ever been. Oh my god, this is so epic. This is such an awesome maze. I'm too good. Wait, why can't I go through? Was it fake? We made it to the end. Let's go, I did it. Oh. That wasn't fair, dude. I literally spawned in for like a split second. I didn't realize how we're shooting. That's just Dookie. That's literally Dookie. Everyone went for me. That was actually Dookie. Literally everyone went for me. That ain't fair. You little stupid little brats. Spider-Man, why didn't you save me, Spider-Man? That was so mean. Ugh. Okay, okay. Oh, wait, no, Spider-Man's giving out money. Alright, never mind. I like you again. Yeah, give me that cash. No, no. I'm about to score this goal. I'm about to score it. I'm about to score it. I'm about to push this off the map. That's what I'm about to do. Never mind. Well, these stupid freaking people. See, this is why you can't do anything with other people. If you want something done, you gotta do it yourself. Oh, wait, I didn't know. Was it just not gonna tell me that I was supposed to get in the light? What the crap? This is the stupidest game ever. Alright, we're back. Come on, I'm good at this. I got this. It's just like extremely slow dropper. Yeah, it's just a little extremely slow dropper, so we don't have to really worry about it. It's pretty easy. We're in that easy game, so. But imagine. See, you could tell that's not the real Spider-Man. See that? So easy. I did it. Green. Please, if it's green, you guys gotta subscribe. Let's go. Choose a side. That dude almost walked off. We're so good at our little guessing game right there. Oh, this our round. All right, we got this. I believe more than everything. I kind of like these new map thingies. I haven't really seen all of them so far, but I know there's a bunch more than this. So, yeah. Yeah, we did it. Yeah. Well, I think that's gonna be my video. If you guys like the video, make sure to hit that like button. I'll subscribe if you're new and turn on post notifications so you don't miss my videos. And that, guys, peace out. Bye. See you next.